To troubleshoot Phantom Wallet login issues, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Phantom Wallet extension installed in your browser. Next, check that your browser is up to date, as outdated browsers may cause compatibility issues. If you are still having trouble logging in, try restarting your browser or clearing the browser cache. This can often resolve issues related to temporary data stored in your browser. Additionally, ensure that your password is correct and that your account is not locked due to multiple incorrect login attempts. Another step is to check the Phantom Wallet status page for any known issues or maintenance that may be affecting your ability to log in. You can also try disabling any other extensions that may be interfering with the Phantom Wallet extension. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try resetting the Phantom Wallet extension by going to the extension settings and clicking the Reset button. Be aware that this will remove all of your wallet data, so make sure you have your seed phrase backed up before doing so. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can help prevent unauthorized access and protect your assets. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, you can reach out to the Phantom Wallet support team for further assistance. They can provide more detailed guidance and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve Phantom Wallet login issues effectively.